So a couple more boxes of Prizm Draft Picks Baseball. After that, we'll do some Career Vision Football. That'll be the order this afternoon. Prizm Draft, and then Clear Vision. Good luck, guys. Starting off with a Dodger Refractor Auto. Refractor for the Dodgers, not numbered at Jeremy Rathjen. Jeremy Rathjen, your first auto today for the Dodgers. Base. Base. Got a red Jose Abreu, Chicago White Sox rookie, number /100. Refractor, Tom Murphy, Rockies. Base. Or base. Base. Got a blue auto going to the St. Louis Cardinals. Got a blue number /75, Marco Gonzalez. Marco Gonzalez, blue for cards. Base. Got a red number /100. Red number /100. Angels, Caleb Cowart. Caleb Cowart, red number /100. Base. Refractor of Ryan Appear, the Marlins. Base. More base. Base. Refractor, you've got Stephen Romero. Seattle Mariners. Stephen Romero. Redemption, you got for a New York Yankee, I believe, Luis Torrens. That is a red. Luis Torrens. Luis Torrens, red. Base. Base. Got Tucker Newhouse. Tucker Newhouse, refractor for the Brewers. So give me just a sec, we'll go through the other three autos. Got a red Jonathan Crawford. Jonathan Crawford, red, number /100, Detroit Tigers. Refractor, Zach Bornstein. Zach Bornstein. Refractor. Other autos had a Caleb Cowart, red, number /100. For the Angels, had a blue Marco Gonzalez /75 for the St. Louis Cardinals. And had a base refractor, not numbered, Jeremy Rathjen, Los Angeles Dodgers. Box 2. box 2. Got a base auto going to one of the New York teams. Ivan Wilson. Ivan Wilson. Base. Base. Blue, you've got Dylan Overton. Oakland to 75. Refractor, Ross Stripling. Base. Or base. Or base. Got a blue for the Texas Rangers. Number to 75. Wilson is a Met. Thanks, sir. Alex Gonzalez, blue. Texas Rangers. Alex Gonzalez, blue. Your second auto, box 2. Got a duplicate auto already. Got a duplicate. This one is a base. Your first one was a red. Caleb Cowart. Second, Caleb Cowart today for the Angels. Base. Refractor of Steven Gonzalez, Minnesota Twins. Base. 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 Refractor of Orioles, Dylan Bundy. Dylan Bundy. Another redemption. This one is a Royal. It is a red. Alberto Mondesi. Red for the Royals. Alberto Mondesi. Card 56. Base. Or base. Mets, Dominic Smith, refractor. Blue draft class, Alex Gonzalez. Blue to 75. Last pack, box 2. Refractor of Detroit's Daniel Fields. Daniel Fields. Base. Finishing box 2. Box number 3. Box number 3. So far, most of our autos have been that first deck. Base. Refractor, you get let's see here, Seattle's Michael Kelly. Michael Kelly. Base. Base. Got a refractor auto, not numbered. Detroit Tigers. Eugenio Suarez. Eugenio Suarez for the Detroit Tigers. Starting first auto, box 3. Base. More base. Duplicate auto. St. Louis, Marco Gonzalez. Your second Marco Gonzalez today for the Cards. Dodgers, refractor auto. Dodgers, Jack Peterson. Good hit for the Dodgers. Refractor auto, not numbered. Jack Peterson. Refractor of Tom Wendell, Dodgers. Base. Base. Refractor, Seattle's DJ Peterson. Base. Refractor, Rio Ruiz, Houston. Refractor, St. Louis, Oscar Mercado. Refractor for the Cards. Jeremy Ratchan. Another Jeremy Ratchan for the Dodgers. So good day for the Dodgers so far. A Peterson and 2 Ratchans. Base. Oakland, red, Max Muncy. Max Muncy, red, number 200. Base. Base. Last pack, box number 3. After box number 4, we'll move on to Clear Vision football. Base. And then later on tonight, we got some more Bowman Draft. Got a fresh case of Bowman Draft showed up. Also, we'll do a case of Treasures football showed up. And we'll do some more of that Inception baseball. That'll be tonight. Inception baseball, Bowman Draft baseball, Treasures football tonight. And that bench warmer stuff, that'll go tomorrow afternoon. Houston's Tyler Henneman, refractor. First auto, box number 4 is a Atlanta Brave refractor. Victor Caratini. Victor Caratini. Base. Base. Red, you've got DJ Baxendale. Minnesota Twins, DJ Baxendale. Red, number 200. Refractor, Alex Yarborough. Base. Or base. Base. Got a base auto. Base for the Los Angeles Angels. Alex Yarborough. Alex Yarborough. Base. Refractor auto, Minnesota Twins, not numbered, DJ Baxendale. DJ Baxendale, Minnesota Twins. Base. Refractor, Clint Coulter, Milwaukee Brewers. Base. Base. Or base. Refractor, you get Houston's Mark Appel. Got a Chicago Cubby. Base auto. Rock Shoulders. Rock Shoulders for the Cubs. Base. Base. Or base. Last two packs. Prizm draft today. Refractor, you got Dustin Peterson. Dustin Peterson. San Diego Padres. Refractor, St. Louis Steve Bean. Steve Bean for the Cards. Finishing Prizm draft today.